company is worth $1 billion with a B. Let's make our own with a little help from AI. Gymshark is a giant fitness clothing brand built off of a drop shipping model. Step 1, find the supplier they use with importyeti.com. Step 2, find out how much it costs them and how much they sell it for on their website. It's easy to get orders for hundreds of dollars with a business model like this. Step 3, we're gonna need a company that handles orders, shipping, and inventory. So head over to USA Drop to set that up. Step 4 lets you Shopify and the Copy app to copy Gymshark's website. Make sure you change all of the text, the images, and put your own branding. You don't want to plagiarize anybody. And now we have a fully functional business.
In the last 30 days, I made over $9,000 in profit. And if I was to lose it all today, this is the first thing I would do. Head on over to TikTok and spend exactly 1 hour productive scrolling, which means you interact with any video that's promoting or selling a product, but ignore everything else. And after 2 to 3 days of doing this, your For You page is going to be flooded with potential products that you can sell. And once you've compiled a list of 10 products, you're going to look each product up on AliExpress. Then you'll go to Page Pilot AI, copy the AliExpress link, paste it into Page Pilot, and you will have a fully branded Shopify store in just 30 seconds.